He's got my red glove. This is his favorite game of all.
You tricked me.
There he goes. He says, Mommy's glove, best toy in the world. They cost a whole $1. Oh, we're not very clear. Yes, we're having a storm. Sammy, you funny boy. What are you doing? You funny. Oh, that was cute. And there they go. Did she get it? Oh, she got it. Stella got it. Yeah. Yahoo! Here, Grace. My glove gets more use with these dogs than it does on my hands. Ah! Aren't they funny? Sam can't understand now. He's, I lost my glove.
It all looks great in her mouth.
Well, yeah, because she's black and red.
So good. Black, I can't get you to pull your tail.
I can't even keep up with them.
Like you needed to be told okay, right?
I have only seen him today. The rest of the kids are home. Go play, Sammy. Go play with Stella. Oh, yeah. Here goes the mouse. Oh, happy girl, Stella. Who's going to throw a snowball?
Grace. Find it, Grace. Go get it.
They didn't even see you throw it.
It went that way.
Look at Sam.
Grace.
What's Aunt Di doing?
Go get it.
Go get it.
Oh,
Did you show it to her?
Stella got in front of her. She missed it.
Who's this with the belly? The angel.
We're going.
She got about a week more to go. Yeah. I think she's going to have a couple more kids than Song had. She's already bigger than Song was.
Look at them.
Sammy, what did you get?
Snow. They love
Huh?
snow.
Did you get your mouth full? Sam. He says, I'm too busy to pay attention to you.
She's eating the grass.
Look at Sam.
Hi, Sammy. You want? Come on, Stella. Come on, guys. Let's go. Go get him.
Oh, Sammy's a mouthy.
Go play.
No Song because she's with her babies, and no Ayana because she's been a little cranky. She got to sit this one out. Yay! So I gave Sam his own glove. Where'd Sam go? There he is, look at him. He's just thrilled. He says, oh, I got my own. Sammy.
Look at the devil out of your glove.
So is he. He's shaking it to death. Sammy, don't look at. He's decided he wants to play with everybody else.
Yeah, I don't. Look at. Look at him. Come on, Stella, come here.
Where's Sam? What happened? Huh? What happened, honey?
Angel, Grace.
Yeah.
Grace.
Is he going to go get it?
Let her come.
He went and got
No,
it.
come.
Got to see him.
Give. All right, you go take it and run. Go.
Oh, we're going to give Grace a chance?
Yeah, she wants.
Look at her slap at it.
She's doing a.
Look how happy Grace is. 9 years old. She's doing pretty darn good. Yeah. She says, I got it.
Come on, guys. I got it.
Look at her.
Oh, sure. She's got it. None of you will play with her, right?
That's not nice.
She's got it. None of you are going to play with her? Where's the other one?
Yeah, it should be right over next to you.
Oh, sure.
Look at Grace. Let her shake it. Boy, damn, we got to go to the dollar store and get some more gloves.
Yeah, look at it. Hey,
There.
Hey, don't tear it.
Uh-oh. You scared Sam. He's like, you scared me.
Don't tear up my Yes, Miss Destructor.
Oh, look at
Miss Destructor. Miss Destructor.
Gee, her brother Bill never does that.
Oh.
Oh,
All right,
look.
ready? Here goes. Okay, ready?
Who's going to get it?
Catch! All right, give. Ready? Catch. Oh, you gotta watch it, Sam. Come here, give it to me. Grace. Give.